But guys, we are at the beach. So yeah guys, spur of the moment beach trip. We stayed last night, so we are here going to enjoy the rest of the day. And here comes Alex. We stayed up late, guys, last night, so to enjoy the beach. And it's kind of breezy though, so we're wearing a sweater, so we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, we are in the sand already.
Officially at the beach.
Officially at the beach, guys. And we did come over with my sister and her husband, so look at Camila. Say hi, Camila. Say hi. Just don't get sun in your head, okay? So it does look like it wants to rain, guys, but hopefully it does not rain. Hopefully.
I like it. Wow.
And look at Santiago. He's ready to go in the water.
There he goes. There he goes.
It's too cold. Like. But it's nice to just come and listen to the waves and relax. Especially when nobody's around. That is so awesome. Look at guys, there's hardly anybody, and actually it's spring break, so how weird, right?
Check it out, everybody. It's a little bit cold, but the kids didn't mind being out here, enjoying the beach. Look at them. Oh my gosh. I don't want to get wet. Say hi, Santi, Maki, Kami. Hello. Now the water is cold, big
Cold,
time.
guys, but by the time you get in, it's kind of hot.
Okay.
And it's so much fun doing surfing.
So at first it's cold, and then later on you don't feel it.
Yeah, I don't
Ah, okay. I gotcha.
Look at guys, look at, whoa! Let's do something really cool.
All right, let's see.
I see it go, look more.
Let's see. It's really nice out here. Even though the weather is not perfect, but it's really nice to just relax and come to the beach. For us, it's like an hour and a half drive, which is not bad. We drove last night and we stayed over, and then, well, now we're here. Like it's like 11:30, 12 noon here at South Padre Island. So really nice. You need to get away sometime, at least if it's, even if it's like one day or two, but it's definitely worth it, especially for the kiddos. They love the beach. Have you all seen like videos from before? You know, we have done quite a couple here and there videos of you know, us being here at the beach. But there you have it. Let's look at over here how the clouds look. A little cloudy, you know. The sun like wants to come out kind of, but not really, you know. But oh well, at least it's not super hot.
So show, guys. I had to show you the sand felt amazing on your feet. What did you do, Michaela?
I just hit family vlogs.
Whoa.
Can't really see the L, but it's right there.
Yeah.
I made it with this stick that I found, guys.
Cool. So yeah, guys, it's still breezy, but it's nice to be out here and hearing the waves.
Really cold. Like,
It is really cold.
I don't want to know.
No, I don't even know. I've never been to one. They don't
I heard about it.
I've never.
Got myself an adult drink, guys.
Mommy, I accidentally dropped it.
All the seagulls are here with us. OMG. Hopefully they don't poop on us, right, guys? Like
Extend your arm all the way up.
all the way high, Santi.
Like you've got a wristband.
Looks like a bird flying one way.
Good job, Cami. Here, Cami. Do this one.
Scrape my arm, but look it, Dante.
Okay, do it from the very tip.
We have more. We do, but
I took it right away. What happened? Okay, no more.
I take the finger.
Okay, guys, we are having a burger. Susana's having. What are you having, Susana? Shrimp. The burgers are really good here, guys. Niños.
Don't touch the handle. Ya le hicieron todo así. ¿Y por dónde te
Por acá. Hey, vamos a esperar a Alex. Camila, Michaela, this way. Where's Camila? Get her?
Ahí viene. I can see her through the window.
Go, Cami, dance. Go, Santi, dance. Oh, yeah? Wow. We are going to check out the beach one more time before we go. So the kiddos are very wild. Hey, what happened? What is it? A rock?
Yeah, it's a rock.
Look at this cute little fountain, guys.
Guys, if you didn't see, I found this at the beach.
Oh, that's true.
It's my memory
Yes.
shell. Look it.
Oh my, a big rock.
Guys, if you look closer and you zoom in the video, look it. There's rocks in there.
Inside too.
Yeah, and look at all them.
Oh my. Okay. Oh. Okay. Well, guys, let's go. Let's say bye to South Padre Island. No. Leave it there, Camila.
Be careful.
Leave it there. Hi, Santiago. Guys, welcome to the Sand Days. This was October 2018. Wow. This is so cool. Look at that. Awesome. No, they did a lot of work for them to do this. Look at that. We cannot touch. We can just see it. You see how part of it is kind of falling? Welcome to Port Isabel. We are leaving already. take some engagement photos in that lighthouse. This is our last shot of the beach. That's Michaela, guys. It was so nice just to be out here, hearing the waves and being out here. Yeah, guys, again, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video of our day trip to South Padre Island, Texas. Bye, guys.